How to change colors of a table on Google Docs. The first thing you're going to have to do is head over to Google docs.google.com. I'm just going to create a blank document and insert certain tables here. So go ahead and go to the Insert tab, go to Table, insert how many tables you want. So let's say if I add 4 by 3, you can insert the value here and then your headings as well as different colors. So let me just quickly do that. So here on the table, I've added some values. So let's say if I just want to go ahead and highlight certain cells, what I'm going to do is select that particular cell. So I'm just going to go ahead and select it. Click on the cell to select it. And if you want to select multiple cells, you can just drag it like this. So let's say if I want a different shade of color background for the heading 2 and the cells below it, I'm going to select all of these cells. Then right click on the cell. Then from here, you want to head over to the table options. And then from here, you are going to have to click on the color. Now on the cell background color, let's say if I want it to be yellow, I'm going to select that. You could just do the individual cells as well. So if I just go ahead and select this cell right here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the cell background and select a different color. There is also an option to change your border. So select all of your cells, right click on it, go to table options, and then from here, go to table border. So you can change the table borders. Let's say if I want the border to be light blue, and you can choose its points on how thick you want it to be. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how basically add colors on tables. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.